start the day, yeah. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. Proud of my work, turn it around. Burning the fuse, I don't wanna burn out. Gotta stay mindful, right? Nobody's calling me, so what's the rush? Who's waiting? Who's waiting? Ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if you want a sunray, you know we can pull it from the window pane.
Kami sa rooftop ng bahay ni Ma'am. Yes. Yan, ang ganda oh. Tama yun, kitang-kita mo yung siguro yan yung tagig, no? Oh. Wow. Ang ganda. Ayan, Yan, dito na tayo. Yan, punta natin. Bravo yan. Yan, dan tayo. No? Oh. Angono, pinangonan. Ano ba to? Angono.
You just always in a tighter rush. I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday. Hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know you, I know you, I know you, I know you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down, 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 down. Yeah, you just always in a tighter rush thing. You just always in a tighter can't wait. You just always in a tighter can't wait for me. Been a mess and I'm trying to dial back. Can you stick through